add our channel keywords. So how do we do that? Channel keywords. Okay, now you scroll down, you come to advanced, click, select country, so Nigeria. Then I select my keyword. This keyword will allow SEOs, search engine optimization, to allow people to locate your YouTube channel. Okay, what am I going to do? Real estate is on real estate, so I'm going to do it this way, like real estate, sorry, real estate money. So just allow your, what's it called, allow this channel keyword to be very long, and if you are making it longer, make sure you add like quotation mark to it, like this, something like this, quotation mark. Then you can say money, estate, real channel. So just add your keyword channel. So that's how you do that. Then you come down here, you save. Yeah. So after you've done that, let's see the next thing you're going to do. The next step is adding channel description and links. Okay, adding channel description and links. So after saving, make sure you save this thing. Yeah, so come over here, my channel, want to add this channel description and link. Get here, go to customize channel, then click on about us. Good. Earlier on, I've added a channel description, but it is where you put your description. Learning secrets of real estate from the scratch to the peak, and learning how to make good money. That was one I impute the other time. So now you can edit, you can add more, you can add anything. Then location Nigeria, then email real estate is correct, so I need to correct that. Okay, good. Then these are the links. This link, you can add more links, like you can add more link. Facebook.com / blah blah blah, Gmail, Instagram, then this, done. So this will show up here. I believe you can see this. It will show up here. So now that's channel description. So that's for that. So the next thing we're going to do is connecting Google AdSense with your channel. So that's where the real money comes in. So how to connect Google AdSense with your channel. So now I'm gonna come over here, click over. So I'll come over here, studio, creator studio. Okay, scroll down, creator studio classic, order, submit. Click on, now click on my channel. Okay, now monetization by displaying ads on your video. So you click enable. Maybe if you've done, maybe you've excuse me. Okay, if you've had an account with them before, all you just need to do is add, start this, then link it. But if you know you've not gotten any account with them, so this is what you do: click start, agree, all this term and condition, accept. Okay, now good, then start. You're gonna sign up for next. Good. Select your country, Nigeria. Yes. Either read and accept. Make sure everything is complete. This is a YouTube link. Create an account. Okay, good. Now everything is sorted. Oh, so here, individual estate money, then you put in your address. Excuse me. City. Good. States. Phone number is optional. You may want to put it or may not. Sorry, don't mind me. You click on submit. Redirecting. Okay, redirecting. Yes, redirecting back to your Google dashboard. So great. That's all. We're done. But don't forget, 4,000 watch hour, and in next 12 months, and 1,000 subscriber before you can start making money from your YouTube channel. Good. Now, what's the next thing we're gonna do? The next thing is uploading our first video. So let's do that. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna come here. You can see this plus sign. Click on it. Upload video. Public. Don't forget public. Thank you.